Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that could be a lifesaver for anyone still cherishing their classic Sony D-EJ109 or D-EJ611 anti-skip G protection Walkman Discman. We're talking about the BRST USB PC charging cable, a dedicated power cord designed to bring these beloved portable CD players back to life or keep them powered up without constantly relying on batteries. This BRST cable isn't just any generic charger. It's specifically engineered for the D-EJ109 and D-EJ611 models. It's crucial for potential buyers to double-check their Discman model to ensure compatibility, as the manufacturer explicitly states they don't accept responsibility for incorrect purchases. This attention to specific models highlights its tailored design, aiming for optimal performance and safety with these particular Sony devices. One of the most convenient aspects of this charging cable is its USB PC charging capability. This means users can power their Discman directly from a laptop, desktop computer, or any USB wall adapter, offering a versatile charging solution that fits into modern lifestyles. Gone are the days of searching for a specific proprietary wall wart. A common USB port is all that's needed. Beyond convenience, safety is a paramount feature of the BRST USB PC charging cable. It boasts multiple layers of protection, including short-circuit protection, overvoltage protection, and overheat protection. These safeguards are incredibly important, especially when dealing with older electronic devices, as they help prevent damage to both the Discman and the charging cable itself. Furthermore, the cable adheres to global safety standards, being FCC, CE, and RoHS certified, which provides an extra layer of assurance regarding its quality and reliability. The input voltage range of 100-240 VAC 5060Hz also means it's suitable for worldwide use, making it an excellent accessory for international travelers who want to take their Discman on the go. The BRST brand has designed this as a male-to-male connector, ensuring a snug and proper fit for the intended Sony Discman models. Its robust construction, combined with the comprehensive safety features, positions it as a reliable and essential accessory for anyone looking to extend the life and usability of their D-EJ109 or D-EJ611. It's a practical solution that combines modern charging convenience with the necessary protections to keep vintage audio equipment functioning safely. For those who appreciate the tactile experience and sound quality of their Discman, this charging cable offers an indispensable way to keep the music playing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.